going to show you a new picture drawn by me. That's a tiger. You watch this. Oh, where is my tiger? Do you see my tiger picture? Oh, such a huge animal. Do you know, friends, one thing? Tigers belongs to cat family. Oh, it's roaring. I hate the sound of tiger. Friends, do you like the sound of tiger? Friends, will you please give me an idea to make friendship with our tiger? Oh, I got an idea. Tigers fond of meats are their favorite food. Tiger, do you want to be my friend? Now we are friends. Can I touch you, tiger? It's so smooth. See, it has such a beautiful vertical stripes. It's so beautiful.
He likes my lovable pat. He is roaring in an affectionate manner.
See his eyes. It's too sharp. Friends, do you know one thing? Tigers can see well at night. So, he can hunt prey at night. Bye-bye. See friends, tiger is back to my chart. T for tiger. Tiger. That's tiger.